Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add contact form app to Shopify website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, go to apps and from here open App Store and search here improved contact form and open this app improved contact form. Click on add app and it's provide free plan. Install app. So the app has been successfully installed, and now let's see how to create or how to add a contact form. So click on contact form and from this list you can select any form. So I'm going to selecting this one. So here you will see the preview, and from here you can change or edit your form. You can change the background, you can change the text color. So go to fields, and from this field option you can change the field. You can change the button text, you can change the title, you can add description here. From here you can edit or customize your contact form. So this was how we can add contact form app to Shopify website. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.